Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To vent. Mike and Sarah are on vacation. They're talking about work. Sarah, isn't this place serene? It's so good to get away from the city's noise. I couldn't agree more, Mike. I always come here when I need a quiet moment. So, what's been on your mind lately? Well, it's been pretty stressful at work. I don't know. Let's not think about it. You can vent to me if you want. Everyone needs someone to listen to them. Well, I'm thinking about quitting. There's no respect, they're disorganized, and the pay is abysmal. My boss is giving me a hard time. My coworkers are annoying. I don't really like it. I can totally relate. Quiz time! What does to vent mean? To spend time with friends? To relax on vacation? To stay silent? To express frustration? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D, to express frustration. Verb details. We often vent frustrations, vent about something, vent to someone. To vent means to express or release feelings, especially of anger or frustration. This verb is related to air and wind. We imagine there's a lot of air in your head, and you have to let it out to relax. We also have the expression to let off steam, which is similar. Have you vented to anyone lately? Share your experiences in the comments. Examples. Mike vented his work-related worries to Lily. She vented her concerns about the project to her mentor. If you need someone to vent to, you can always talk to me. If you don't have a chance to vent, the stress can build up. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Serene. Calm and peaceful. To get away from. To escape. I couldn't agree more. I agree a lot. Abysmal. Really bad. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.